Do you want to clean your intake manifold and not quite too sure how to do it? In this video, I'm going to show you the first steps to be able to clean your intake manifold. So make sure you watch the whole thing so that way you don't miss a thing. So I'm assuming that you know how to remove the throttle body and associated pipework. If you don't, click the link that's up above and watch that video. So I'm going to go ahead, remove the throttle body and pipework, and we'll proceed on from there. Now that the throttle body is removed, I'm going to remove the sensor cable and start to remove some bolts. So there's a bolt underneath which requires an 8mm socket, and I'm going to remove that now. Make sure you wear gloves so that way you don't scratch your fingers and your arms. You'll get pretty dirty doing this. The next two bolts will remove the return pipe. So one bolt is a 8mm, requires an 8mm socket, and the other bolt requires a 10mm socket. Now going over the other side of the inlet, there's two nuts that need to come off that are holding on the plate. They're on studs and they require a 10mm socket, so I'm going to take them off. Now I've got those nuts off, I'm going to push the plate off and I'm going to remove the studs. They just take a 10mm socket as well, and they'll come straight out there holding on the pipe. Now they're out, I'm going to do the same on the other side. There's one bracket at the bottom and there's the two studs, one at the bottom and one at the top. So they will come off now. Now those studs are off, I'm going to remove the pipework. So I'll pull it away from the return pipe. It looks fairly clean because I've cleaned it recently, and I'm just taking it out. You can now see the entrance to the manifold. There's a rubber gasket there, so just make sure that stays intact, and now you can clean out the inside just there if you want to. You can see that that's fairly clean. I cleaned it the other day. And there's a rubber seal there as well that you want to maintain and make sure that it's okay. There's the sensor on top that you want to remove so you can clean it properly. That's a T30 Torx screwdriver bit. Then once you remove that screw, you can just pull it out, clean the pipework, and then once you're done, you just push it back in. There's an O-ring there, so just be careful of it. Push it back in, and it'll be right to go. You want to give everything a really good clean while you've got it pulled apart. Just use some rags and choose the correct solvent. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to take the inlet manifold off altogether. If you need me to make a video to show you how to put this back together, I can, but it's pretty much just the reverse process. It's a pretty straightforward job, and most people should be able to handle it with confidence. So just make sure you don't lose any bolts. Stick around for the next video.